In this video, I will guide you through how to sign into your Google account on your computer step by step. First, I went to the desktop and opened Google Chrome. After opening Chrome, I click on Add. Next, I selected the Sign In option. The Google Sign In page opened where I saw an email input field. I entered my Google account email address and clicked the Next button. After that, the password field appeared. I typed my Google account password and clicked the Next button. Since I have enabled two-step verification to protect my account from hackers, a verification page appeared. If you also want to enable two-step verification for better security, you can watch the video link shown on your screen. I will also add the link in the description and pin it in the comments. Now, a notification was sent to my mobile device by Google. On my phone screen, I saw two options. No, do not allow, and it is me. If you are trying to sign in yourself, click on It Is Me. If someone else is trying to access your account, click on No, do not allow immediately. In my case, I clicked on It Is Me. After confirming, my Google account was successfully signed in on my computer, and that is how you can safely sign into your Google account on a PC or laptop. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.